Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am back. New and latest idea and latest designs, like different and beautiful pattern. Little kids girls dress, shorts and short and with short uh, pants, like different frocks, romper styles. Beautiful ideas and styles designs. Crocheting baby dress. So I hope you like it my video and my channel. To crochet a baby dress, you will need a crochet pattern specially designed for dresses. There are many patterns available online, ranging from simple to intricate design. Here are a basic outline of how to crochet a baby dress. Choose a pattern, search for crochet baby dress pattern online or in crochet books. Look for one that matches your skill level and the style you desire. Gather material. You will need yarn in your chosen colors, crochet hook in the different size according to your yarn weight, and possibly buttons or other embellishment. Crochet the dress. Begin crocheting according to the pattern instruction. Typically, you will start at the top of the dress and work your way down. Hey guys, welcome back.